On this occasion, I want to explain about a project that I find interesting. What is that? Saturn Black. I will explain why this project is good and interesting. What is Saturn Black? Saturn Black is a liquidity provider for crypto market, cross-chain exchange, and OTC trading platform with platform for direct cross-chain exchange of crypto asset. The centralized protocol, a symbiosis of the convenience of direct atomic exchange and the reliability of a third-party guarantor. Legal and secure transaction for crypto market players. So, what does it mean? Saturn includes an offer for counter market. It is new, liquid, and safe. Saturn launched the exchange and OTC trading platform for cryptocurrency based on the swap chain exchange protocol with peer-to-peer exchange service for traders, investors, companies, and brokers. You can see the picture. So, in the picture wherein 51 of attraction asset will be used to support the liquidity of market asset as permanent working capital in the ensuring bilateral demands. 49% of attraction asset will be directed to the development and maintenance of infrastructure. Operational asset will provide liquidity on the Saturn Black platform and the existing accessible crypto market. So Saturn is responsible for liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity refers to the ability of an asset to be sold quickly and close the market price. We turn in the right picture. Saturn Black OTC allows you to close a large number of cryptographic assets at market price or at price. When traditional crypto exchange in conventional exchange, large portion of low liquid assets can sold or processed with price slip back, but in Saturn by selling of or sustaining the position of crypto asset on Saturn Black players getting a better price than that traditional crypto exchange. At the same time, the asset market is not subject to pumps or dumps. Have you ever to see a token pump and dump at will by walls? But Saturn will overcome that problem by sustaining the position of crypto asset on Saturn Black players getting better price. So it's been tough. How got this project, especially for traders? And why does project lead more than market and traders? I will explain later. Watch this video until finish. Roadmap. What is Saturn Black roadmap? Saturn Black roadmap development. Escrow in December 2018, Saturn a secure transaction between owner crypto assets with the guarantee of third-party direct exchange protocol. OTC cross-chain trading in December 2018. Selling and buying large amounts of crypto asset is not a atomic exchange protocol are relevant for high amount holder of crypto assets, early investor and members of blockchain startup terms. In Q3 2019, buying and selling large amount of crypto asset at the base price offered. Security of transaction setting of condition of the further version will make finding the seller or buying more accessible and safer. And you can see another in the website. See this. Issue of XR token and distribution model. Saturn total supply is 1 billion tokens. Saturn ticker tokens are XSAT. Private sale was complete on 22 December at price $0.075. The sale was complete on 6 February at price $0.115. The good news for investor, Saturn Black has reached the soft cap. Whoa. How people are very interested in this good project. Now XSAT on sale with this 138 million XSAT at the price 0.13. XSAT token distribution diagram. 75 token sale, 75% token sale, 10% bounty, 10% for team, and 5% development. Saturn Black team. There is something interesting with the Saturn Black team, which adds the performance of this project becoming increasingly confusing. How to buy XSAT? You only need to scroll up to the website and to find is buy XSAT. Just click on the quantity section, just write down the amount you want to buy. Minimum allowed order quantity is 400. For example, I want to buy 400 XSAT. Write 400 in the quantity section and click on the update chart. The total chart will come out at the bottom. You can see it. 400 XSAT for $52. Click process the checkout. Then you will be told to fill in your data and your ERC20 wallet. Then choose your payment method. For example, Bitcoin. Choose Bitcoin. Wow, there is a calculator. Press Q2. The payment statement will appear and the address of the deposit address. You just send the Bitcoin number written there and copy, scan the relation. Then the payment statement will appear and the address, the deposit address. You just send the Bitcoin number. Then the payment statement will appear and the address, the deposit address. You can send the Bitcoin to the deposit address. Then in number written there. Then copy the scan transaction and click place order. For website link, white papers, and other social media, please check the description on this video. Well, that's my explanation of Saturn Black. It's interesting, isn't it? Please invest and do your own research. Thank you.